Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. I wanted to make a little bit more detailed video on these generators, and again what my plans are. So this one is just an engine, right, and the frame itself is pretty shot, so most likely this is just, the frame is going to get scrapped, but the engine I'll keep. The fuel tank I'll keep as well. We'll see what I end up doing with that engine. It might just be used for parts right now. Question mark? Double question mark? Let's see what else. We got this one over here, which regardless, all the engines and generators and all the parts are going to be removed, and this will most likely be the one that I actually use the frame of and just leave that one as like a portable generator. This one I'm going to be removing all of its insides and stuff, because if you look, the frame is just shot. Like, the hour meter has like 1 hour on this thing, supposedly. I don't know if that's true or not. They might have disconnected it, who knows. But it's got 1 hour on it. I don't know if it's just on the rebuild or what it is. It seems like it's got compression, so, and the oil is clear, but who knows. But yeah, the frame is just really shot. So, you know, I don't really plan on saving this frame. So this is going to be, I believe, the set that I put in the cat diesel generator casing over there. And we're going to go from there. We're going to continue off on the project that I never got to finish. And it'll be good. I'll have more room again, because there's just parts everywhere. I swear, I clean up one day and then the next day I work on something and it's like it's a mess in here again. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be working on tonight. I want to take you guys along and just start diagnosing these and show you guys what I do. And yeah, we'll keep going from here. Stay tuned.
No point in blaming you, you did not know how. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. So I wanted to share something that I just noticed with these. I opened up the one fuel tank here.
I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I think for this one we're gonna have to wrap it up a little bit, only because unfortunately I don't have any acetone, and I figured since I have the head off, I might as well give it the dose that I do with every other engine that I work with that's one of these guys. Unfortunately, water was in the cylinder, but it's not rusty. It's just a little, it looks like someone tried to start it with the water in there. Wasn't starter fluid, because you can smell that stuff. Thankfully, it's not. Let's take a look at the head. Let's see. I'm gonna need all new gaskets, which is okay. Get this on the video for you guys. So this is the head right here. Give it a little white. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this thing it's got hardly no time on it. It's just been sitting a long time. It's gonna need the Peter's special. Wow, look at that. What do you guys think? A little brake cleaner? Probably clean this right up. I doubt that there's a problem with sealing. Wow, look at that. That's just from a little bit of wiping. I'm telling you guys, you just gotta look for the gems in the rough, and you can get lucky like I did. Because if you look, the intake looks pretty perfect. Obviously, the gaskets and whatnot are a little messed up, which is all fixable. Look at that. Yeah, this is, I think this is going to be a runner, without a doubt. Put the head in here. Cool. So this one should be good. Again, I have to get acetone for it in the morning. Next video, we'll start working on the next generator, which will be this one. Let's see what happens. See if we can do it. I think we can. Atlantic Tools. They seem like pretty heavy-duty generators, though, overall. No huge differences or anything. This one has not even an hour on it. Man. I don't know, I think this is pretty awesome. Alright, well, let me stop my blabbering and let's get on with this. Fingers crossed. Start taking it apart. Alright, YouTube, so let's start making a list of stuff that we're going to need for these generators. First thing is 2 sensors, oil temp, not temp, oil, let's just call it oil sensor. So we need 2 of those. We're gonna need a total of either 2 or 3, depending on how it comes, complete governor setups, because none of these have them. At least 1 fuel injection pump. At least 1. I think that they'll be fine, but I don't really want to use the one that's all rusty and crusty. If I can avoid that at all costs. Yeah. I don't like using stuff like that. Even if I sanded it down. Well, we'll see. I'll put a question mark next to that. we'll take it one step at a time. So this is the list right now. What else? Oh, that's what I'm missing. So I need 3 gasket kits with the fuel injector little gasket, and for the one. You gotta also start looking into getting the exhaust so that I can put it in the cat diesel generator casing. So this is what we have right now. I think that's it for now. We'll start off with this, and we'll keep going from here. I really gotta just tear into these to really see, honestly. I do want to put with this governor setup and springs, because we're gonna need the springs. Hopefully I can find some deals on the eBay. And I also gotta check, which I believe, I know that they're all 10-horse Chinese diesels, but I gotta make sure that they're all 186F and not FA, FAE, because the one I have on my John Deere is a 186 FAE. So let's take a look. I'll take you guys with me. Let's see, air cooled 418. This is definitely a 186 FAE. Yep. So this one's an FAE. Got this one. I'm guessing that they're both the same. So you guys are gonna see it before I do. Alright, so we got one just 186F. About this one. Oh, this one's just missing. Okay. Alright, so let's go from there. Let's see if we run into any more bumps. And yeah. Let's go to this one next.
someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true. We can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying.
All right, YouTube, I'm convinced now. These are brand new. No joke. The outsides are pretty beaten, but look at that cylinder. Look at that. If these were run, they will run really lightly. And all of this black gunk, it's all coming off. All the soot. Wow. Look at that. I mean, I'm pretty convinced now. I mean, I'm still gonna soak the cylinders in the transmission fluid. I know I probably don't have to, but it would make me feel better if I just went through it and did it. But yeah, man, I'm pretty surprised. I was not expecting that. It'd be cool if this one was the same way, but I guess we'll find out soon. I mean, if that is the case, I might end up throwing this engine, because I still have to take apart the John Deere to put a straight shaft on it. I might take apart this one, and maybe this one will be the new engine for the John Deere, and I'll swap out the shafts, and I'll sell that other engine. But we'll see, you know, let's play it by ear. It's still looking good, so yeah, man, it's definitely a good start.